This is the MS-40GT Dry Leak Detector, and we're going to demonstrate unpackaging and how quick and easy this machine is to use. When the machine is received, it will come in a custom corrugated box with inserts. VIC recommends you save this in the event that the unit is returned to VIC to have services and or preventive maintenance done to it. In order to start the machine up, on the rear of the instrument, there'll be a 110 power cord. You'll plug that into the machine. These are additional options available to the unit. After the machine is plugged in, there is no oil requirement. This is a dry, oil-free unit. Turn the main power switch on. The vacuum pumps and turbomolecular pump will start up, and the machine within 2 to 3 minutes will be ready for operation. Once the power switch is turned on, the MS-40 will load its program and will begin starting the unit up. The turbomolecular and 4 pump will turn on. The machine is showing you no system errors. We're monitoring the state condition as the machine gets the vacuum pumps operational. Tells you the turbo is ready. We're in a filament warm-up period, and at the completion of the filament warm-up period, we'll begin a background acquisition. The machine checks the offsets and now begins an acquisition of background, and that will take approximately 30 seconds. Ready? Once the background acquisition is complete, the system throws up the main monitoring screen and indicates it's ready for testing. The R in the upper left-hand corner indicates the machine is ready. The F in the green balloon tells you the filaments are on. The machine is in an automatic ranging mode. We're in standard cc's per second, normal zeroing mode, and the machine is set to detect helium, mass 4. You can initiate a cycle by pressing the start button. The test port will begin to evacuate. Once the machine reaches the required vacuum pressure, we begin testing. Right now, the R is indicating that the machine is in reverse testing mode in the 10 to the minus 8, and because the vacuum level reduced further, we entered the direct testing mode, which provides 10 to the minus 9, 10 to the minus 10 leak detection. Once the system has completed its startup, the machine will provide some critical diagnostic information. The R in the top left corner indicates the machine is ready. The F in the green balloon indicates the filaments are on. The machine will tell you it has automatic or manual range capability. The machine is showing standard cc's per second, normal zeroing mode, and that the machine is set up for helium in mass 4. The unit has a built-in 16 CFM combination vacuum pump to reduce the test port pressure. To initiate a cycle, you press start. The test port will begin evacuating. Once it reduces to a low enough pressure, the machine will begin reverse testing, which is indicated by the letter R. And as the machine, because it's in automatic ranging mode, the machine will select the best resolution to display what the current leak rate is. Once the machine enters reverse test, the test port will continue pumping down, and when the pressure achieves the required level, the machine will transition from reverse to direct testing, and the letter D will be indicated in the upper left-hand corner. Once we go into direct testing, the machine will have capability to test in the 10 to the minus 9 and 10 to the minus 10 leak rate ranges. Indicated on the side is an arrow based on a programmable set point indicating accept or fail. To vent the test port, you depress the vent button. The machine is taken out of test. The leak rate returns to 10 to the minus 4, and you'll see the test port pressure is back at atmosphere. The MS-40GT series helium leak detector can be equipped with a number of options. Installed on the top of the unit is one of our custom fabricated test cups. It's approximately 3.5 inches deep and 4 inches wide. This is ideal for testing hermetically sealed parts such as integrated circuit chips. The customer will place the products into the chamber, close the lid, and press the start button to initiate the cycle. The test port will begin to evacuate, and once the desired vacuum level is achieved, the machine will go into a direct testing mode. Okay. The machine is now in reverse testing, and you'll see that the leak rate will start cleaning up, allowing us to continue pumping down further. If the product was actually in the chamber and leaking, we would get an indication of what the desired leak rate is. By pressing and holding the vent button, the test cup is now vented to atmosphere. It can be opened and the product removed. The MS-40GT is also equipped with a Sniffer Probe function. Here you can see the machine measuring an atmospheric discharge leak at 3.5 times 10 to the minus 5. When the probe is removed, you can see the leak rate immediately begins to drop. The Sniffer Probe is attached to the rear of the instrument, and to take the machine out of sniffing mode, you simply press the vent button. To shut the machine down, you simply take the power switch and turn it to the down position or the 0 position. The machine will automatically turn the filaments off, turn the pumping package off, and it's ideal, even though the machine is no longer powered up, to wait approximately 5 minutes for the turbo that's running at approximately 80,000 rotations a minute to stop rotating before the unit is moved.